You're going to the dentist when we come back in Manila, okay? Nge? Anong nge? You're going to the dentist, okay?
No,
Anong nge?
I say no.
You're going to the dentist. Yes.
No.
Yes. Nge ka dyan, ha? Nge ka dyan, ha? You're going to the dentist. Show your teeth. Show your teeth. You're going to the dentist? Show your, teeth.
So you're
Cleaning teeth. Oh, you're laughing. You're going to the dentist.
No.
Yes. Nge. You're going to the dentist with mommy, okay? Because you have to clean your teeth. Oh, dali na, eat na.
Oh, that is your mommy.
Oh, ha?
Haven't daddy?
Daddy is eating as well.
Haven't daddy soya?
Candelita, don't eat me.
Huh?
You know that? Yung mga nasa TikTok na mga prutas. Candelita, I'm Perlilita.
Don't bite me.
Don't bite me. Oh, ubos mo na naman yung banana. Kalakas talaga na itong botsog ko na to eh. Kaya panalo ka sa mga buffet eh. Diba? Lakas mo eh. Yummy?
Ano na dyan?